Hey folks, it's Angela. I'm making this quick video for you here today. I'm actually headed out in commemoration of Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. Today is a holiday. The kids have the day off and they're having a pretty big event in the park. But I wanted to make sure that I shot this quick video before I headed out. Again, it is January 21st. And today's question is, what are you focused on now? So you may have established some goals, maybe a resolution for the new year, and it's almost February 1st. So what are you focused on now? So what I want to discuss with you is some tools that I've actually started incorporating into my business and some other things that I highly recommend, excuse me guys, that I highly recommend for you in your business. So with your focus now, one of the main tools to do this is, let's say you're in network marketing and you're participating in maybe a weekly meeting or business refresher meeting of some sort, and this is awesome. But you have those meetings and that one-on-one type of action, a one-on-one type of communication is really something that I found that's extremely helpful in business, whatever business it be. So for network marketing, you have your calendar where you have so many appointments set up on a day-to-day basis because you want to make sure that you're always talking to people. Now, in addition to that, what I've done is an accountability group. So with this group, we're actually pairing up business partners or accountability partners. I mean, it would be an individual that either is at a higher level in their business or somewhat equivalent levels in the business to say, okay, how are we going to help each other remain accountable to our goals? Now, I mentioned this in another video. Accountability partners are major in business and just generally. This is really good because it allows you to check in with someone to help you stay on track and also to discuss some of the action steps that you want to take in your business, and also to bounce off some of the ideas and different concepts or things that you're coming up along the way. Now, you can write this stuff down, let's say in a journal or just a daily, weekly calendar, but if you don't meet those goals, there's no one that knew about it. There's no one to help you remain accountable to yourself. So that's how important accountability is. 2013, it's almost February 1st. I'm sure you really, if you are still headed towards that goal, this is something that'll help you, increase the likelihood that you'll meet that goal. So in addition to an accountability group, something else that I'm also a part of is a six-figure mastermind group. Now, what they do is we actually receive emails on a daily basis just to set reminders of something that we should be focused on in our online business. And these are specific action steps that we should be taking in our online business. So this is something that's really helped me. You can actually become a part of this six-figure mastermind yourself if you've been looking into expanding online with your network marketing business. So what you want to do next is click on the link below this video, check out exactly what I'm talking about, and get accountable. So again, this is Angela with AskAngelaKelly.com. Thanks for checking in.